Good morning, everyone. I think we're going to get started. My name is Bill Farland. I'm the chair of the Emerging Science Standing Committee. Thanks to all of you who attended yesterday, either in person or on the web. We had well over 200 people on the web yesterday, and hopefully we'll have a good web presence as well as having people here in the audience today. I was going to start very briefly by commending people for yesterday's discussions. We had a very good session to start us off that gave us some challenges, some historical perspectives, some discussion around sort of the directions that EPA is taking with regard to its next-gen risk assessment activities. What followed was a very good afternoon session, at least from my perspective, that really provided us with a couple of different examples from cheminformatics to exposure to human data that showed how we can take a systems approach to try to look at some of the information that's available to us for the risk assessment process and how that can be integrated with some new thinking about approaches to move forward. So without any further ado, I think we'd like to get started this morning. And this morning we are pleased to have Greg Paoli here to talk about value of information for risk assessment. The idea of really being able to look at what critical information is going to help us to move in the directions that we're talking about, and being in a position to discuss this both from the standpoint of how one makes that decision, thinking about the kind of questions that we're going to help to answer or inform, and then also from the standpoint of what is available to us in terms of research directions. And so with Greg's talk and the two panels this morning, I think we'll put a good cap on this particular workshop, and then we'll look forward to a wrap-up from Dan Kruski. So with that, Greg, we'll get started this morning.